Let's learn about CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.3.23 flashes. This criterion requires that web content does not contain anything that flashes more than 3 times in any 1 second period. This criterion applies to content that flashes between 3 Hz and 50 Hz. For example, a movie with a scene involving very bright lightning flashes is edited so that the lightning only flashes 3 times in any 1 second period. To implement Success Criterion 2.3.2 in code, here are some examples of best practices. Limit the frequency of flashing. Ensure that any flashing on the website is limited to a maximum frequency of 3 flashes per second. Test for accessibility. Test your website for accessibility, including Success Criterion 2.3.2, using automated tools or by conducting user testing. Here's an example of how to limit flashing in CSS. In this example, the Calculate Flashes per Second function calculates the frequency of flashing for an element, by counting the number of blink and marquee elements contained in the element and dividing this by the duration of the animation, if defined, and the number of times the animation repeats. The code also includes an example usage that calculates the frequency of flashing for an element with the class flashing element. This example meets Success Criterion 2.3.2 by checking if the frequency of flashing for a given element exceeds 3 flashes per second and taking appropriate action if it does.